Each winter, the New Zealand Field Days property at Mystery Creek, just outside Hamilton, plays host to two major motorsport events. In July, the World Championship Rally of New Zealand visits Mystery Creek for a special stage, and then in September, the rally season winds up with the National Rally Sprint here at the home of New Zealand's Agricultural Field Days. Staged for the third time earlier this month with new sponsorship from Commodore computers, the 1989 Mystery Creek National Rally Sprint attracted almost all of the country's top drivers,